HKSZ Sports Services Stars proudly presents
Hi, this is Amisha Patel.
Hi, I'm Shahid Afridi.
Hi, this is Ravina Tandon.
Hi, I'm Irfan Pathan.
Hi, I'm Yusuf Pathan.
Hi, I'm Selena Jetli.
What do you think now with the stars here at Jumeirah Beach, the launch that we are doing on the 19th of December? It's a launch. Usually you have a launch party in a hotel. This launch party and celebration over a beach cricket in Jumeirah Beach. What do you think of the concept, the idea and everything?
The concept is nice. Let's see how it works out, because on the beach you can only play tennis ball cricket, and probably it's going to be one of those matches there, and it will be very exciting. Nearby the beach, you're playing cricket, reminds me of some old days.
Absolutely. It's beach meaning in a very family environment, because it's an evening play after Maghrib, so it's night. So it's not the beach where we can just go crazy on the beach. It's very family orientated, a lot of stars and celebrities. Launching Vision 2020, Dubai is the host city for Expo 2020. How do you feel about that?
No, it's good really, because you know you have all kind of facilities here in Dubai, and it's one of the most you can say the vocation support for everyone, and everybody loves to come enjoy Dubai, whether it's from the Asia, or whether it's from like Germany or from wherever in the world. People comes here, they just enjoy the weather here, which is most importantly good for them. So I think it's the best place. You can see so many people around here. They come over, they spend their holidays, some are here for work, so it's always good to be in Dubai.
हमने ऐसा प्रेजेंटेशन और ऐसी चीज़ें कहीं भी नहीं देखी, और इसका क्रेडिट जो है वो HKSZ को जाता है कि वो पहले इंग्लैंड में उन्होंने किया, और उसके बाद फिर दुबई में कर रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स डे को सेलिब्रेट। और सबसे बड़ी बात कि स्टार्स खेल रहे हैं। स्टार्स को इकट्ठा करना आसान बात नहीं होती, क्योंकि उनका टाइम निकालना, और जिस तरह HKSZ ने इन तमाम प्लेयर्स को इकट्ठा किया है और इस तरह UAE में लेके आया है इनको, और UAE का स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे क्रिकेट को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। तो आई थिंक इसका पूरा क्रेडिट जो है वो HKSZ को जाता है कि वो इतनी मेहनत कर रहा है, और मेरी यही दुआ होगी कि जिस तरह वो तरक्की कर रहे हैं, इंशाल्लाह उनके आगे भी जो भी उनके प्लान्स हैं वो सारे कामयाब हैं।
Hi, I'm Brian Lara. Stay tuned to HKSZ.tv.
I am Dilshan. HKSZ.tv.
Hi, this is Yuvraj Singh, and catch me on HKSZ.tv.
Hi, I am Zahir Abbas. Come and see me 19th December with HKSZ Jumeirah Beach, celebrating UAE Sports Day. Launching Vision 2020, because UAE unites us.